Good evening, everyone. Hope you people are all well and you guys explore different ideas from my video. Tell me which idea do you like most and which type of idea do you want. Please share my YouTube channel with your friends that they also can get advantages from my video. Today in my video you can get different gel nail color ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. When considering the best of all 2022 nail color trends, classic shades like tried and true black, navy, and burgundy will forever stay. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. To choose a nail polish color that suits you, consider matching your nails with your skin tone. For example, nude shades look great with lighter skin, while pastel and bright purples look better with dark skin. No matter what skin tone you have, pink or purple will make your nails pop. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. For 2022, we predict that nail painted with dream worthy designs inspired by nature will be all the rage. If you are ready to outfit your hands in smoothing a different scroll through the biggest nail color trends of the year. In my video, you can get different gel nail color ideas. Electric blue, cherry, jewel shades of pink, rhinestone, rosy baggy, and many more. Current nail trends are marble nails, minimal nails, velvet nails, ringstone nails, classic red nails. Thank you.